walking in the forest, admiring all the magnificent forms that life has taken. Life takes the forms of trees and leaves. It also takes the form of beautiful flowers. And the purpose of the flower is to be the most beautiful flower it can be. The purpose of the flower is to produce honey, nectar for the bee. And the bee's job is to come in and collect that nectar or that honey. And if it wanted its highest purpose, if the flower wanted the realization of its higher purpose, it would know itself as life, expressing itself in the uniqueness of this particular flower and the beauty of this particular flower. And if the bee wants to know itself in its highest form, it would know itself as life, expressing itself in the unique form of the bee. Its purpose on earth is to collect the nectar. The purpose of the flower on earth is to be the most beautiful flower, to attract the bee. The purpose of the flower is not to be the bee. The purpose of the bee is not to be the flower. It can be its next incarnation in this particular realm. The bee can choose the energy, the life that's in the bee, can choose to manifest in the flower. And the energy in the flower can choose to manifest in the bee. But while it's in this particular incarnation, the bee, for it to fulfill its purpose, is to be the best bee it can be. And for the flower to manifest its life purpose is to be the best flower it can. And as I said, it can know itself as life manifesting in the flower, and the bee can know itself as life manifesting in the bee. But the job of the bee is not to be the flower. The job of the flower is not to be the bee. It's to celebrate its uniqueness in this particular experience here and now.